Okay, now we can introduce the object sequence split function. This function is similar to the sequin texture. The difference is that the sequin split function can make the edge of the design more neat. Now we make a sequin area. If we want to make a triangle pattern into this sequin area, we can use object sequin split function. First, we make a triangle and set the properties. We set outline, for example. Inner sequin also B, and select the process by sections. Then we make it into a custom split line. Then move the triangle into the second area. And we select the object. Use the object sequence split function. Then it's a finish. Okay. And the object properties can be set according to your requirement. You can set the size of the sequence. And then we can see the edge is very neat. This is not impossible for the sequin texture function. Yes.